See, I know what I'm fucking up today. I ain't smoked no fucking roaches yet. I'm supposed to hit that like either wake and bake or something off the rip. I'm off schedule today, so we're gonna have to get that in next. Not next, but next. That's what this beat's called too. Piano Nice. Shouts out to the big homie. It's his vertical version. Y'all know to go check it out on his channel. He definitely snapped on his little demo with that.
Give it gas when I'm dipping competition, getting past, living fast, furious, staying on track, never worry when I'm spinning. Laughs better getting back, ride from a dog, alphabeted on us, you gon' get it back. Never split this pack. Whenever I witness cap, we ain't fucking with your fiction, facts, your conviction lacks. When I get up in my bag, I'ma spend, we ain't tripping off tax, clipping this tag, working on my wish list, cooking this cake. Let me flip this stack. You a flash in the pan, while you relaxing. I can, but deep in the pack, this a damn, putting tracks in the sand, pushing my craft to the fan, got the people all clapping their hands, putting cash in my brand, keeping my octane high, my grade premium, not 8-9 or 8-7, and when I run across the 8 line, I'm 9-1, I gun it, clock great time, my time come, disappearing in the dark horizon, way I cut turns, I'm as sharp as diamonds, got them on tilt like a car's alignment, this is raw refinement, not a hard assignment, I'ma give it gas, give it gas, bitch.
You ready to smoke, baby? Your second one?
Shouts out to YouTube cameras. Y'all know to go check out sis. She been doing a lot of posting lately. Y'all know to go over there, support. Anyways, let's go back to this other playlist and finish that video up. Ooh, y'all know to go check out the Homework 2025 playlist because we already done started it and we like 40 videos into it. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna tell you how much we hustle. Hell, y'all already see. Anyways, let's see, which one was it? We was in the to-do list. Slide down. Click this one. We got 7 people in the chat, 10 thumbs up. Shouts out to the 710. Y'all already know what time that is. Get your dabs out. Somebody hit a dab. Somebody hit a dab. Yeah, I'm rolling up though. Y'all know how we do. We twisting trees and pulling stunts. Here, let me put it on me for a sec, so y'all can sit here and watch me. So y'all don't say, "Hey, Popcorn, you weren't on the screen a lot this video. We're kind of gonna need you to make a guest appearance." I mean, I done did a whole video, which was the topic. Now I'm just chilling for a sec. You know, propaganda. Definitely got to deal with the propaganda because that be that bullshit. But there's bullshit about everything, so you know how it be. I mean, if we solved all our problems, we'd get bored. You know how that is. But I've solved all my problems. Life gets bored after that, don't it? Yes, it do. Good morning, DJ Tanya. Nice to see you. How you doing? Y'all know to go check out DJ Tanya Renee every Friday and Saturday night. She be over there kicking it. You might see some cartwheels though, so you know, bring your girl with you so she already know. Like, yeah, Tanya, we finna pull up at DJ Tanya's spot for a minute. She vibing, so you know, go ahead and do your cartwheels, babe. Get your exercise in for the week. All right, let's see. We gotta. Let's see, 1, 2 more videos to do, and then some infotainment also. So let's go. Still twisting up. Shouts out to recording the copy for Rumble, since for some reason Rumble don't like me this week. It ain't letting me do shit on Rumble right. I was trying to set it up.
Some people are scared of zombies and vampires, but the thing that scares black people the most are niggas and nigga moments.